Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to do day 2 of our blending lesson. We're going to blend, we're going to build, and we're going to decode regular spelling words with suffixes full, li, and with the Y at the end. Sometimes sounds like I, and sometimes I as in try, and sometimes sounds like E as in happy. Okay, so we are going to start with our first line. We have cup, cupful, slow, slowly, cloud, cloudy, trick, tricky, peace, peaceful, point, pointy, bravely, furry, hope, hopeful, safe, safely, ice, icy, squeak, squeaky, squeaky, loudly, loudly, field, field, nicer, nicer. Notice that I am chunking the words into parts of sounds, and then we're blending it together. And this is very helpful technique for us to decode the word and for us to be able to do the blending lesson. So now we have cried, cried, longest, longest, pony, pony, I, try, I, high, biting, biting, long vowel I right here, bite, ing, ing, biting. You have happy, happy. The Y makes the E sound, long E. Happily, happily. Power, power, power. Powerful, powerful. Ooh, there's a mistake here. This should be a T. It should say, let me fix that. It should say truthful, truthful. And then we have, here we have truthfully. Wow. Suffix, suffix together. So we have truth, which is the base word. Then we have full, and then we have li also. So we have together, we have truthfully, truthfully. Okay, let's move on to our two sentences. We have Jack sold a bagful of beans, period. Again, simple sentence starting with capital J for Jack. Not only is Jack a name, but it is the beginning of your sentence, so it must be capitalized. And then we have to end with an end mark. In this case, it's a telling kind of sentence. It's a statement, we're giving a information, so we're using a period at the end. Our second sentence, Jack and Jill quickly got rakes, period. So here we have Jack, capital, the beginning of your sentence, also a name. And then Jill is also with a capital J because it is a name. Jill is a name, so it needs to be capitalized. And then here we have the end mark because we are completing our sentence, our telling sentence with using a period, which is very appropriate. Okay, thank you for doing this blending lesson with me. Continue to practice, as I always say. Practice makes better. Actually, practice makes permanent. So the more you practice, the more you'll learn it, and the more you'll be confident with your blending lessons. All right, have a great day.